Hello. Ordered something from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Came with this Ultra Glide. What? Came with a little free knife. Out. Out. Knife out. Out. Oh, I might need another balloon. I think I'll get this out of here somehow. Yeah. There we go. See it. See it. Come to me. Ha. Cool. MP. That's kind of a neat little friggin' free knife that came with this. Bodyguard. What do we got? HCR13MOV coating, rubberized aluminum handle. What? It is kind of grippy. Reverse flick. Come on. Yeah. Cool. Tiny. Tiny free. Oh, slicey. Huh. That's neat. Ultra Glide. Ball bearing. Yeah. Kind of like it. Huh. What else? Papers. And this. Ooh. design. Kind of a neat little case. Towel. Card. What's this? Ooh. Thick patch. What is this? It's kind of neat. Field Duty S90V. Green canvas micarta. It's kind of cool. I like that. And we have the Field Duty all sealed up. I always liked the way this knife looked. Finally got a chance to grab one. Pretty similar in size to the Shaman, at least closed. Not as tall. Got the green micarta. Feels nice. I like this big back spacer. It's a nice looking knife. Can I reverse flick? Oh yeah. Very cool. Nice tall blade. I like the lines on it. It's very smooth, like stonewash or something. And some satin flats. Looks really good. Drops shut. Reverse flicks right out of there. Thumb flick, no problem. Get a really nice grip on it. Feels great. Crap out of here. S90V, yeah. Got S90V and then the number on there, 113 out of 125. That's cool. Kind of like when knives are numbered. Some decent jimping, goes up pretty far. Yeah. That close is so smooth. Whew. Try the little thumb flipper thing. Not sure where to hold it for that. Yeah. This thing's freaking awesome. Got a good choke up grip on her. Yeah, it's smooth. I don't know about this top flipper. Just really have to Get used to that. How do you do it? Not really a front or top flipper kind of guy. Sure, I'll figure it out. Figure out where to hold it. Man, Liong Ma Field Duty. This thing is really sweet. Been checking this, looking at pictures and stuff of this design for a while. Super happy to finally be able to get one. And it just feels awesome. Compare. Yeah, just about the same length as a Shaman. Blade's a little bit taller. Super cool. Well, there it is, Field Duty. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing.